Hi Rangers, it's Miss Santana, and today I'm going to talk to you about CVCC words with my little assistant, Miss Lucy. CVCC. Good. And we are going to do a lesson where our ending for our CVCC are digraphs. Digraphs can be sh, ch, and th. Okay? So today, because there's three different digraphs that we're going to be talking about this week, I'm only going to start with one, which is the sh. Okay? And I have on my chart three little clouds. This one, and this one. Okay? I'm only going to do one cloud with the sound of sh. Now, if you remember, if you watched the videos, you would have noticed that the sound sh is made of two letters, and it makes just one sound. So over here, I have this part over here. I'm talking about these two letters at the end of our pattern. We're going to use these two letters, but they only make one sound of sh. Good job. Okay? So now I am going to add a vowel, but this week, because you guys are doing such a fabulous job, I'm going to switch vowels. Okay, I'm not going to just stick with one vowel at a time. I'm going to switch them out. I'm keeping the sh sound on all of the words, but I want us to decode our words when I change the vowel and give a new initial sound. Okay, letter. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start with this vowel over here. And what do we have, Lucy?
Ash.
Ash. Very good. Okay. I'm going to add this sound to it, to the very beginning. And see how it matches? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. I still have four letters, but remember the last two over here are making only one sound. One sound of sh. That's my digraph, okay? So, we're still working with 4 letters. Now, let's try to decode this word together, okay? I have sh sound. We did ash over here. Now I'm adding the sound to the beginning. That makes what, Lucy?
Mash.
Mash, like mashed potatoes. Okay, good. I'm going to put mash as one of the words that end with a sh digraph. Good. What about... Oh, I have a good one. I changed the... What do I have, Lucy?
Dash.
Dash. Good. To dash means to run super fast, okay? All right, good. Here we go. I'm going to change it out, okay? Now, oops, where'd it go? Ooh, what is this one?
Cash.
Cash. Lucy, what is cash?
Money.
Money. Good job. Do you remember what kind of money we have? What kind of coins? What kind of cash can we have?
Penny.
Yeah.
Quarter. Nickel. And dime.
Dime. Good job. So we can have that kind of cash. Good.
And a dollar.
And a dollar or more. Okay, now check this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now switch over here my vowels. Okay, I'm going to take the A away. I'm still keeping the sh. And I'm going to put an I. Ooh. Ah. So what is this? Ish. Good. Nicely done.
Mashed potatoes.
That makes no sense. What is this one?
Fish.
Fish. Good. Fish. Do you see how all of them have still the sh sound at the end? I'm switching just the vowels and the initial letter. Okay? I'm going to take
fish potatoes.
Fish potatoes. That's gross. Fish. Now I'm going to switch it to, hang on, let me find my, okay. I can't find my little block that has it. But what about if I have this one?
Wish potatoes.
Thank you, assistant. That's done. Wish. Okay. Done. Thank you. Wish. Good. All right. Now I'm going to switch to over here. What is this?
Ush.
Ush. Good. That was a little bit more tough. Good job. We have ush. Okay? Or ush, really. Ush.
Cushion.
There's the sh in the middle, but we're trying to have it at the very end. So let's not confuse. Okay? What is this? Sh. Rush. Oh, let's rush home, people. We gotta go home. Ah, let's rush, rush, rush. Okay? Good. All right, now I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna put an O over here. Now what do we have?
Osh.
Osh. Say osh.
Osh.
Osh. Good. All right. The thing that goes with osh is, where is that letter? What's that?
Posh.
Posh. Something that is posh means that it's super rich and very fancy. Okay? It's very posh. All right. So here we have, if you notice, all these words that end with a sh. This is helping us to decode new words when we come across them, okay? So we have mash, dash, cash, fish, wish, rush, and posh. We're not working on word families anymore because they don't rhyme, because we're switching their vowels. But what we're trying to do here is trying to decode. If we come across the sh sound at the end, we'll know how to sound it out, okay? So this is just the lesson for today with the ending of sh. I'm going to put them on my chart over here and you will see them on Wednesday. All right. Have a great day, Rangers.